Hey guys, so welcome back on our YouTube channel, my eToro Trader. So this will be our third video that we're gonna upload after our recording. So for this video, we're going to have a short discussions on how to funds our account. So as I mentioned to you, so this is a growing account. So we just started taking a blog and documenting what has been happening on our account. So as you know, as I mentioned also before, the US market is still going high. Yesterday, there was a sudden drop in the market, especially the S&P 500, and most of our AS stocks were hit. But now there's a slow recovery. So you can check our first video to see how much we have when we started this video. Okay, so for our quick tutorial, how to fund or deposit additional investments to our account on eToro. So first, you need to go to the home page. So you click this arrow button at the top left corner. And once you're in here, you can see the deposit funds. You click this one, and we will be forwarded to this option. So the USD here is up to you which type of account you're using. So I'm using a USD account. So I want to put 400 USD. So you can put any amount. I think the minimum is 50 USD. But take note when you wire some money using your debit or credit card, there will be some charges. So I've read on some of videos and some of the tutorials, it could cost 20 to $40. So better put in a maximum amount you want to put one time so that the charge will be offset. I mean the percentage from the one that you're going to deposit is not so much. It will not affect because if you deposit $50 and the charge is $40, then only $10 will go into your account. Okay, so I've used two types of cards already, so I have a record here. But if you don't have or you don't see any card here or you want to replace, just click the add new card and input the details of your card. So we click this one, and you will see you can you need to put your card number, the date, the month and year of your card. So it's either credit or debit card, and the last three numbers at the back of your card, and you can click the deposit button. Okay, since I have my card already, so I'll just select the card I want to put in, and we'll put 400 USD, and then click on the deposit button. So this one requires OTP, so I will put in my one-time password so that the funds will go inside my eToro account. Okay, so the funds went in successfully. So got it. And you can see here now, $400 has been added to my previous account. So if you notice, it's around 5,300 USD last time, and it's now 5,700. So that's how you fund your eToro account. So I hope this short tutorial will help you in your journey and funding your eToro account. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.